Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Capcut on your PC and loading the project. Import the audio or video file, then drag the clip onto the timeline. This ensures you can isolate the track. Once the clip is on the timeline, click it to reveal the audio panel on the right. Make sure you're in edit mode. This first step isolates the waveform so you can preview pitch changes in real time and prevents accidental edits to other tracks. Now you move into the audio controls. Open the audio toolbar and pick pitch or voice effects. You'll see a slider and sometimes numeric fields. Drag or type values to raise or lower pitch by semitones. Make small changes first, 0, 5 or 1, because larger shifts alter formants and timbre. Once done, play the clip from the playhead to judge the result. If you need natural sound, apply mild pitch, and combine. To finish, listen to the full exported preview and compare it to the original so you can confirm clarity and timing. If you hear artifacts or robotic quality, undo or reset the pitch and reapply a smaller change. Capcut's history lets you revert quickly. Make sure to enable any format correction or pair pitch shifts with EQ to minimize unnatural resonance. If problems persist, try re-importing from a WAV source and repeat the pitch change. This often removes compression artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.